Good morning, children. Today we are going to do sole proprietorship form of business. Now, sole proprietorship is the combination of two words. Sole means single and proprietor means owner. So, the sole proprietorship means single ownership business. Now, let's do some features of sole proprietorship form of business. Here we have got 7 features. I'll read for you. That is single ownership, one man control, no separate legal entity, unlimited liability, no profit sharing, small size, no legal formalities. Let's do in detail. First, single ownership. Sole proprietorship is wholly owned by one individual. So he is boss in his business. Second, one man control. He is not required to consult anyone. So he can take decision himself. He can, if you want to change the policy, he can do anything. So he is totally all in his business. Third, no separate legal entity. Law makes no distinction between owner and the business. So business and the owner is considered as the same person. Third, no profit sharing ratio. As you know, business is full of uncertainty, risks. So hard work is required in business. So what is the reward for this hard work? Is a profit. So they are going to, whatever the profit they are going to make, he himself is going to enjoy that profit. Small size. Sole proprietorship form of business, as you know, the owner provides capital to the business. So one man can provide a limited amount of capital. So the business is really small in size and generally it is local in nature. Now, legal formalities. No legal formalities is required in sole proprietorship form of business. Anytime they can start their business as well as they can dissolve their business. Now let's talk about merits of sole proprietorship form of business. I'll read the points for you. That is easy to start and dissolve, motivation to work, quick decision, independent control, secrecy of affair, personal touch, inexpensive management, flexibility for operation, social desirability. Now easy to start and dissolve. Since no legal formality is required, so they can anytime they can start their business and they can dissolve their business. Motivation to work. Profit is the only motivation to work. Now what is the meaning of motivation? Motivation means the desire to work hard. So proprietor will do his level best to earn maximum profit. Quick decision. Sole proprietorship form of business, you'll find only one person is involved in the business, so they can take a decision very quickly. Independent control. Since no one is going to interfere into the business, so they can run their business whatever they want, in whichever way they want. Sorry, there was some technical problem. Now we come back to the next topic, that is secrecy of affair. Trader is not required to publish his account, so he can maintain this business secret by himself. Next, personal touch. Profit is the only motive of business, so he'll try his level best to earn maximum profit. In order to earn maximum profit, he'll try to maintain good relationship with his customers and other people. Inexpensive management. Here, sole proprietor, he himself does all the work, so he doesn't have to pay to anyone else, so expense becomes very less. Next one is flexibility of operation. So you'll find here in sole proprietorship form of business, they don't have to follow any rigid rules and regulation. So according to the demand, they can change their mode of business. Now social desirability. Here, business, sole proprietorship form of business, They'll help to society by supplying quality goods at a reasonable price and by self-employment, etc. Now today, that's all for today, and now we'll meet in another session.